Let's just go ahead and declutter my entire makeup collection. I think I'm gonna just start throwing shit in a garbage bag. That's what I'm gonna do. It's time to let it go. Bye-bye. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have a huge declutter. I have been meaning to do this for the last year. I'm not even gonna lie. It's been like 3 or 4 times where the ideas popped in my head, I gear myself up, and then I back out. Because I know it sounds crazy, but this is like a little sad to me, but like today's the day where I really need to get rid of almost my entire makeup collection. Like, it's time. And it is really sad. And I know a lot of you are like, really, Amy, like, get over it, but you have to like try to remember and put this into perspective, okay? I started doing YouTube, I think in 2013, and all of this makeup is just like a representation of that, because I've just been like accumulating like all these things over the years, right? Like, I've been accumulating all these different collections. So you can imagine just like the memories associated with like all these different products. It really is just like a representation of my channel from like 2013 up until now. But I feel like I'm like over it. I don't know if it's because like I'm in major nesting mode. Okay, I'm in major nesting mode lately. The last few weeks, I have been organizing and decluttering. Well, I wouldn't say I've been organizing my whole house, but I've been decluttering my whole house. Full nesting mode. So I think that's what like has pushed me to do this, and I feel like I'm ready. With the baby coming, I just want to like get rid of clutter and things that I'm not using. This is the room that I know I'm going to be coming in to have me time and to really work and get some stuff done. So I want to make this room feel good, and right now it feels a bit like I'm in a time lapse, and I'm looking forward to just lightening up my collection. So I'm really gonna go through everything. A lot of this stuff is probably expired. So I have an entire video organizing my entire collection. And that video, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, is epic. Like, it's an epic video because there's so much organization tips and I love it so much. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. I did have this dresser custom made. I get asked that a lot. A lot of these drawers are now gonna be empty, which is gonna be great because it's gonna make room for other stuff like beige. I really need like a space to put like a lot of beige samples because we got lots of samples and stuff coming in, and like I'm running out of room. So I gotta clear up room for that. So yeah, let's just go ahead and declutter my entire makeup collection, you guys. This is gonna be exciting. So let's just take a little tour of all my makeup. So this has been really where like all the makeup that I use is in this desk right here. I need to figure out a section for new makeup products that I wanna try. I do not like mixing new products I haven't tried yet with my everyday stuff, because then it gets like lost in there and I don't end up trying it. So I love having, like, one of my biggest tips is having my new makeup in its separate section. So this is like my little new makeup section. Some of this is not even new makeup. I'm just kind of running out of space a little. And this is pretty much the dresser that holds my entire makeup collection. So I'm telling you, like so much of this stuff is so nostalgic, you guys. Like, oh, the ABH glow kits. And then lastly, last part of my makeup collection. So this is where I put like giveaway stuff. Ignore these two back there. Those drawers back there used to be my new makeup section, but I have not touched them in years because, as you guys would imagine, I'm doing my makeup over there. Do you really think I'm gonna walk all the way over here just to try new makeup? No, it's not a practical setup. This is heavy. This is gonna be a big project, so this might be like a 2 to 3 day thing. We might have to like continue tomorrow. I think I'm gonna just start throwing shit in a garbage bag. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, just to clarify, anything that is expired, you will see me dump in this box. Anything that I put aside, I feel like can be donated. All of these have been opened more than like 2 years ago. So they are 1000% expired. So many Kylie Jenner lip products. I think all of these are expired. I've had them for like 3 years now. These are definitely expired. So out of that entire entire drawer of lipsticks. The only thing that I really have like a heavy desire to keep are these 4. Still, I'm pretty sure these are expired, but I am keeping them just because they're going to, I want to keep the names so I can repurchase them. All of the lipsticks that I decluttered. Crazy, right, you guys? These are actually so good. I love these so much, but because they're in here, like I don't use them. I find that I only use products that are in my vanity, which is why I'm looking forward to just like narrowing it down and keeping things there. I love the Rimmel Stay Satin and the Rimmel Stay Matte lipsticks. They're so good. Like I'm actually gonna keep these. These are my favorite colors. So I will keep these 5. One of my favorite lip glosses ever from the drugstore. This is so good. My sister actually loves this one as well, if it'll focus. This one right here, I believe it's called Sandstone. Let me see. 255 Sandstorm, I think it says. The font is really small, but this is so good. I'm actually gonna keep it to remind myself to repurchase it. Oh my God, more lip products, you guys. Like I am drowning in lip products that are expired. So many lip liners. Again, I have not touched these since I moved, so I know for a fact it's been 2 years. Oh my God, this is so heavy. Again, I haven't even touched these in so long. It's time to let it go. Bye-bye. Okay, so we're finally done with lip products. Out of all of the lip products, I am keeping these, again, just so that I can repurchase because most of these are expired except for the Maybelline ones. So I don't really use lashes anymore that are like this. I only use like really natural lashes. I'm actually gonna give a lot of these in a giveaway. So these ones have all been used, so I obviously did not put them in the giveaway box, but they've been like used and just like sitting here for 2-3 years, and I don't really like these styles anymore. So I think I'm gonna start going through these top drawers right here. So again, these drawers used to be my new makeup section. So there might even be products in here that have never been touched, maybe even unopened. So see, like this has been completely unopened. The wrapper is still on it. So I will give this away. You see, this is why I want to like minimize my collection so that I can actually use the stuff that I have, you know? It's just better, it makes more sense. Why keep everything if you're not gonna really use it? So yeah. These I am definitely keeping. So pretty. Really pretty blush. All of these completely unopened. They actually look pretty. Yep, all of these have been unopened and I am gonna put them in a giveaway. Another product that has been completely untouched. As you can see, the seal is still on it. This is the Marc Jacobs Finish Line Invisible Perfecting Coconut Setting Powder. So I'm gonna put this in a giveaway so that one of you can enjoy trying it out and using it. Even though it does look exciting, I feel like I have so many powders, and yeah. Let's see if this one's been opened, because if it has, it's definitely expired. Nope, hasn't been opened, completely sealed. So someone's gonna get lucky in the next giveaway. Follow me on Instagram, that's where I always do my giveaways. Okay, so I finished doing all of those clear like new section drawers, and I feel really good. There's a lot. I'm gonna show you guys the bin, but I think I'm done for the day. I'm getting exhausted, I'm getting hungry, so I don't want to like overdo it. I will see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna finish, but I feel like I did a lot today. Tomorrow I'll probably finish the rest. I'll probably just declutter the rest of the drawers, and then like we're gonna organize my makeup table here because it definitely needs a little bit of a refresh. I'm gonna set up like a new product section. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Here is what we're left with for the day. All of this makeup has been used, opened, and is now expired. All right, it's day 2, you guys, and I'm pretty excited. I'm feeling really motivated to get everything done today. I don't want to go to a day 3. Like, let's just get it done, girl. So far, yesterday I finished this set of drawers, and we still have these 2 to go, and obviously organize this. So I'm excited. I'm feeling like refreshed. You know when you just need like a nap? Yesterday I needed a nap, I needed some food, and now I feel good, ready to go. Okay, so we have the like highlight section, which is so nostalgic. Like who remembers like 2018 when highlight was just like in, you know, like poppin'. Now I don't even wear highlight a lot of the times. That doesn't mean I don't like it. It just means that I don't really need all of this, you know? This is just like a top fave of mine. Again, it's probably expired, but I am going to keep it to remind myself to buy a new one. Keeping these Wet n Wild highlighters, they are so good, the best in the drugstore. So definitely keeping those. And luckily these are not expired. So nostalgic, who remembers these? This actually looks so nice, so I'm keeping it. I don't remember even using it. It looks barely touched, but I'm keeping it because I want to try it. 1000% keeping this because it's just like a staple when I'm super tan. This is just a bronzy goddess. It's gorgeous. Who remembers this? Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow. This was like viral at one point. Okay, so this is what I am keeping. Small little pile. I feel so proud of myself. Oh my god, so nostalgic. If you guys watched my makeup tutorials back in like 2013, 2014, I used to absolutely love this NYC bronzer. It's actually still like probably like one of the best drugstore bronzers, but this is hella expired. Like I've had this for literally over 6 years, minimum, at a minimum. This is MAC Give Me Sun. I actually use this a lot. Don't know why it's in here. It should be in my other drawer. Definitely the best. Oh my god, another nostalgic item, Too Faced. What's it called? Chocolate bronzer? Milk Chocolate Soleil. Like, who remembers this? Oh, smells so good. And this is all that I'm keeping. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, these are all of my blushes. Yep, expired, 12 months. I feel like I need to keep Luminoso. This is such a classic and this is actually gorgeous. It's definitely expired, but I will remind myself to buy a new one. And out of all of the blushes, I only kept these 4. And of course, they're all like peachy tones. Look at all of those eyeshadow palettes, you guys. All of my eyeshadow palettes. This is gonna be crazy nostalgic. I'm already seeing a couple that, you know, really just stand out to me. So crazy, but it's just time to let go and move on, you know what I mean? And again, I feel like the word expired is like the word of the video, but about 95% of these are literally expired. Oh my god, talk about throwback. These I remember wanting to collect every single shade that they came in, and like I would get them for my birthday, for Christmas, just to like collect them all. I am actually keeping this. This is a very pretty and unique palette. This is the Opalescent palette by BH. Very like unique, look, with a lot of really pretty soft pastel shades. Oh my god, me and my sister used to be obsessed with these. We would go to Yorkdale, Sephora, and just like buy the little individuals and make our own little palette. I am keeping this highlight from ColourPop. I don't know why this is in the palette drawer, but this is called The Real Thing, and it is gorgeous. Oh my god, the Too Faced chocolate palette. I'm actually gonna keep this because I hope they still sell it. I'm gonna repurchase it if it's expired. Yeah, it's definitely expired. It says 12 months. I'm gonna repurchase this because look how pretty this palette is. Like, and it's small. It's like, you know, just minimal. Definitely keeping this. Palettes like this are really great when you wanna do just like a certain look and a large palette is so overwhelming. This is just like a great little go-to, as well as like a palette like this if you wanted to do like a blue look, which obviously I don't do often. But if I want to have fun with a look, then I can just have like these smaller palettes to go to. So like, look how pretty, I mean, so gorgeous. So proud of myself. Out of everything and all those palettes, this is what I am keeping. Okay, so I can't believe it, but we're on to the last 2 drawers. This drawer is my designated beige drawer. And then I have some tech products in here. And then this is empty. It had a lot of makeup palettes in it. So we're only on to 2 drawers now, which is crazy. And we're on foundations and concealers. This is gonna be easy, to be honest with you, because most of it has to go because it's pretty expired, and I'm pretty picky about what foundation and concealer I use anyways. I actually really miss this. I wonder if they still sell it. This is the Marc Jacobs Coconut Perfecting Primer. You can see how much I love it because it's actually at the bottom, and I haven't used it in so long. I wonder if they still sell it. I'm definitely gonna repurchase it. Okay, so this is everything I am getting rid of, and then this is everything that I'm keeping. As we can see here, I have like this overflow that just looks really messy. Again, this is like my new product section. So what I want to do is I want to actually use some of those acrylic drawers and put them over here and have a new product section that's like in the drawers, and it looks nice and just way neater. So this is what we have so far. I decluttered my setting spray section. I only kept this, and I am getting rid of this one because I feel like I just don't need 2. I only use shimmer oils for like events when I really get dressed up, which is kind of rare. You know, this is not an everyday thing, so I don't feel like I need multiples. And then, yeah, this one is pretty much done. This one I'm not like obsessed with, so I figured just declutter it. This one's almost done as well. I'll probably keep it aside, but I don't need to have it up here. Up here is like my top fave ones. This is a new product from ColourPop that I am so excited to try. I got this in PR. This one is in the shade Flute Punch. I'm actually gonna take it out of the packaging now, so I'm super excited to try that. Okay, so I just finished and I feel like that looks so good. We have a nice little new makeup product section, and there's still some room. I narrowed down my setting sprays. I actually went through and got rid of a few brushes as well. And I'm actually about to clean my brushes, but I just want to go eat first because I'm so hungry. But yeah, I just need to clean my brushes. I wiped down the entire table, also cleaned that. So just a recap, I don't know if you guys remember, but most of these drawers are full with makeup. And now this is all that I kept from this dresser, of course, other than my makeup table. This is all that I kept. And just a recap, this is everything that I decluttered. Insane. And I will use a few of those organizers to actually organize this makeup. Maybe I'll do that in a vlog. Yeah, I gotta just organize this makeup, and I'm gonna keep my makeup in these drawers since they're closest to where I actually get ready. I feel like that makes the most sense. So that is it for the entire makeup declutter. It feels so good. Like, I can't tell you how much lighter I feel. I highly encourage you guys to just go through your makeup, see what's expired. I know a lot of us probably have a lot of expired makeup in there. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed just cleaning and decluttering with me and organizing with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.